Welcome to our world. Truewin Technology is committed to delivering comprehensive energy storage solutions. We provide top-tier, professional UPS systems to international semiconductor manufacturers in the Hsinchu Science Park. From battery modules to integrated systems, we possess the capability for independent R&D to adapt to the ever-changing market and meet customer demands. We deliver high-quality, highly secure, and durable energy storage solutions. We utilize 20-foot energy storage containers with sturdy exteriors that are resistant to salt damage, thus minimizing environmental and human-induced impacts. The adoption of an ethylene glycol liquid cooling system enhances thermal exchange efficiency, ensuring stable operation over extended periods. Inside, our smart battery management system provides real-time access to voltage and temperature data.
The Battery Management System controls the safety mechanisms of batteries. It monitors both the state of charge SOs and the state of health SO of the battery. It balances the battery system to improve consistency across all cells and optimize their lifespan. Our BMS is developed in-house by our R&D team. Our battery system monitors the voltage of each cell and performs cell balancing at the same time. If a cell's voltage is higher than expected, a warning is issued immediately, activating the balancing system to reduce the rate of voltage increase. This ensures uniform equalization across all cells. In response to diverse market demands, we must harness our independent R&D capabilities to offer flexible and adaptable system designs. This ensures we have a firm grasp on key technologies and critical features. This is how we can guarantee that, from design to manufacturing, we provide the highest level of consistency, quality, and safety. Regarding our battery cells, we've laid a firm groundwork in cell design, focusing on critical materials, high-porosity separators, and stoba materials with enhanced safety features. Technologies introduced from ITRI have been well integrated within Truewin Technology. In these fields, we've also developed our own technologies and patents. So for our future development, we have established a solid foundation for international patents and IPR protection. According to NDC's latest announcement of the 2050 net zero emissions target, energy generation and storage has been identified as one of Taiwan's 12 key strategies. To support uninterrupted power systems, we provide batteries with enhanced safety and long lifespan. Moreover, we've now launched large-scale energy storage systems designed for integration with renewable energy applications. Truewin has inaugurated its first energy storage demonstration site in Tainan, which meets the safety and testing standards mandated by Taipower and MIA. We've also successfully joined Taiwan's energy trading platform and are now offering automatic frequency control (FC) services. By leveraging these successful experiences, we aim to assist businesses in continuing to build energy storage systems, contributing to our shared goals of achieving net zero emissions and environmental sustainability.